We are in Adlershof, Science and Technology Park Adlershof in Berlin, and it's a part of a huge urban development project. Today we covered a few buildings that are related to energy efficiency, and especially to the use of renewables in building design. We focused on building integrated photovoltaics, where there are some nice examples in Adlershof. Some buildings feature conventional silicon solar cell-based solar panels. Some do feature thin film solar panels. Some of like the first generation, second generation, third generation. And so there's quite some experience regarding PV installations with different technologies here in Adlershof. The Institute building of the Department of Physics of Humboldt University in Adlershof was commissioned in 1998, and a little later the green facade of that building was also completed. And it's a project of the ecological building project of Berlin Senate, which was attached to the building, and it includes the storage of stormwater, which is collected from the roof in cisterns, and then the water is used in two ways. One is to water plants in planter boxes and planted in the soil in the yards of the building and on the main facade of the building. And this green facade, consisting of the plants which are planted in planter boxes in the soil, helps to shade the building, and also by means of evaporation of the water which the plants consume, to cool the air just around the building. The specialty maybe is that the water is collected in cisterns, then mixed with fertilizer before through an automatic system which measures the requirement of the planter boxes, then pumping water into these boxes and providing water and nutrients for the plants. The other application of the rainwater is that it is sprayed into the ventilation system of the building on the side of the air outtake. The water evaporates, and the cooling effect of the evaporation is transferred via a originally heat recovery system from the air outlet onto the air intake, then cooling the air intake, which in summertime can decrease the air temperature of the air intake by 10 degrees.